In this lecture, we'll learn about Python datetime and math module. First, we will learn and practice Python datetime module. And to work with dates in Python, we need to import the datetime module. So let's write import datetime. And then we can print the current date and time using the now method of datetime object of datetime module. Let's try it. We are getting a message in output saying built-in method of now type object and something. Because it's a method and we are using it as field, so we are getting this message. So let's try printing as method. And now we can see current date and time. Well, if we want, then we can print only date. But for that, we have to assign this now method in one variable. Let's do that. I'm naming the variable underscore time. And now let's print the current date. And we can do that using the date method. Great. We can see our current date. Now let's print the current time using the time method. We can also print what is the number of day today using the field day. In the same way, we can print month, year, minute, and hour. And we can also print second. We can also get the weekday and it will print one integer number where 0 stands for Monday and 6 stands for Sunday. Let's try it. We can see in output it has printed 1 and at the top right corner we can see the day Tuesday. Well, we can get the name of the current day using the string from time method. Let's try it. strf time stands for string from time and it takes a string argument. Well, this method is very useful. We can get the name of the month, day, year, or the full date in different format using this method. So let's try it. To print the name of the current day, we have to pass %sign or modulus and capital A. We can pass small cap a to print the day name in short format. And we can pass capital B to print the name of the month. And small cap b to print the short name of the month. Well, I will add a sheet as a reference of all the format codes. Now let's learn about Python built-in math functions and the math module. There are 4 very important built-in math functions we need to know. First, the max function. The built-in math function max takes up to 256 arguments and returns the maximum value among them. Let's try with 5 arguments. Now let's print it to test. And we can see it's working perfectly. The min function also takes up to 256 arguments and returns the minimum value among them. Let's give a try. It should print 4. And it's working perfectly. The ABS function returns the absolute positive value of the specified number. Let's directly try it inside print function. So ABS, and let's pass minus 100 and run to test. And we can see it has returned absolute positive value. Now let's try the PO method. The PO method or function returns the value of x or to the y. So let's try it. We can pass 4 and 4 and run it to test. And we can see it's working perfectly. To be oversure, we can print manually. So print 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So we're correct. Well, if we want to work with ceiling and floor or pi and square root, then we have to import the math module. So let's import the math module and try square root first. And we can see it has returned the perfect answer. We know the square root of 64 is 8. What about the ceiling method? Let's try it. The ceiling method, actually it's ceil. The ceil or ceiling method rounds a number upwards to its nearest integer. So it should print 65. Let's try it. And the floor method rounds a number downwards to its nearest integer. So it should print 64. Let's try it. And we can see it has returned or printed 64.